Oh my gosh. I can't believe this video is finally happening. In this video, of course, we are turning my living room into a home gym. I'm so excited. I actually started putting the gym together last night with Nate, but lighting was not the best. I tried to not film too much, and we're picking it up again today. So before we throw it back to last night getting started with this gym, I just want to say a huge thank you to HyGym for collaborating with me on this video. I feel blessed. This gym is going to absolutely save me and my motivation. There were just too many life struggles getting in the way of my biggest passion, which is working out and fitness. I do have a discount code which I'm gonna leave on the screen for you if you wanna pick up any of the gym equipment in this video or the gym outfits. But yeah, let's throw it back to last night and get started with turning what was my living room into a home gym. Which I'm really excited about. Like, I feel like this makes it feel so real.
Yeah, the floor's lovely. It really is nice. It feels solid.
But we need to cut it to size, and it says on the website easily cuttable to size or something like that. So we just grabbed our household scissors and marked it out with tape, but there's no way that they're getting through it.
I don't know. It might, but I don't think it will.
We've tried like 5 times.
Well, no, I am. Look, I am getting through it. I am.
Yeah, but that's going to take like 2 hours just to cut that off.
Yeah, I don't think that's what you're supposed to do. Look, it is like...
getting through it just about. But
I just don't know if it's going to be a really horrible finish when you cut through it with scissors, I don't know.
But also, it's like, that would take so long, and we've got 2 of them to do, so it just doesn't really make any sense. It doesn't help that we have the weirdest shaped room ever, with like diagonals and stuff. Nate has actually gone out to the shop and picked up a Stanley knife and brought it back telling me it's broken. But we just didn't realise you had to put it together.
I was like, why isn't the blade coming out?
Can you tell we're like noobs at everything? Anyway, so we've set up the palette that all the stuff came on. So we can cut along the tape edge and hopefully it works okay. Did you get the score as well in case?
No.
We'll see. Fingers crossed. Ooh. Okay, we're getting there. That's definitely a lot easier.
Like, infinitely easier.
Also, all the stuff came on this, I keep wanting to call it a crate. It's a pallet.
It's a pallet.
And I've kind of always liked the idea of keeping or getting a pallet to use as like furniture. You can do some nice things with it. So I was like, we should keep it and do something. And then I was thinking about how we could maybe use it in the gym to hold resistance bands or something. So we'll see how it turns out.
At the moment, it's a workbench.
Multi-purpose. Before we get to finishing off the squat rack and moving on to the accessories and making this actually a cute gym, I just want to open this little bag that HyGym sent. Pretty sure this is some gym wear. And I'm pretty sure there's an insane camo blue set like this in there, which I'm just so excited about. Also, this is a crossover front bra, which are just stunning. I just love that detail. I do not have enough of these. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to try this on before we get going. It looks stunning. Obviously reminds me of Gymshark a lot, and it feels really nice quality. And guys, we have a scrunch bum, and it's not an intense scrunch bum either, so this is gonna be so flattering. They also look tiny, which makes me think they're gonna fit well and look really flattering. And they also sent me this gorgeous light grey set. I just love a neutral set. Such a staple set with the shape of the bra. And some nice compression leggings. This waistband seems nice and thick. Nice compression all along the legs. Details under the bum. I've got a feeling these are going to be quite flattering. And I've got a small in both sets, by the way. So I think I'm going to go shove the blue on, and we're going to get to work and get this gym finished before I lose even more light from today, because the winter is approaching and the sunlight is leaving. What do you think?
Oh, that's a HyGym set.
Yes, I'm going to
that's nice.
something.
Nice colour, isn't it? Yeah, that's really cool.
It's going really washed out on the camera. It's so nice though.
Yeah, it's lush.
Right, let's get to it. So, one of the reasons why we stopped last night, well, one of them was because it was really late and we were tired, but also because one of our bolts looked like this. Can you even see how dodgy that is? So, we just popped to B&Q and grabbed some. Obviously, you can never find the exact one, so we've got two options. Which one do you think we should go for?
Dunno. Is it the length different? Oh, the width, isn't it?
Oh, I guess so. Not sure if I agree that this shirt suits this set that well.
Looks like a toy car.
It's quite freaky. We're attaching all these wheels now. So this is the central one, there's some up the top. And then we've got these cables, obviously, for the cable that runs on the back. I actually haven't explained yet on this video. So the main thing that we're building for the gym is a multi-purpose squat rack. And as you would have just figured out, there's a cable attachment on it, which is crazy. I'm so excited about that. You can also do pull-ups. We've attached that bar. And there's also dip attachments to put on the sides.
And they're like tip handles.
Right here. It always freaks me out when I look at these. I'm like, which way does it go? That's amazing. And then we also have a bench to put together and some other bits. So I'll show you that later. But we're just finishing up the cable bit.
We're pulling.
You get this instruction thing here. Okay, here goes nothing. Nate is upstairs and I'm being impatient, so hopefully I can do this on my own. And then down, through here. Okay, we grab this thing, go in, back up, and in.
Those new bolts we bought way better, aren't they?
Yeah, I would recommend buying your own box. Boom! I did it.
Every night I'm going on the grid.
There's obviously no weight on it yet, but we have a pulley system / cable machine. Oh my gosh, that's so crazy, I just built that. It's all coming together. Right, let's attach this on here. Let's get rid of that chain.
How do I stretch my shoulders?
Uneven house, so it's kind of like awkward to find a really flat bit. And also there's obviously a light in the middle of the room that we don't want to hit. How the hell?
The thing is, I'm pulling it and you're just coming towards me. Right, stop. Be careful you don't like run off with it.
Go straight into the wall.
Back, I want you, hit you up. I'm on the other side. I miss you.
Squat.
Feel nice?
Yeah.
Take hit you off. I came in way too strong, cannot keep it low key. Got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof. Bottle your taste. It's really a bad reception out there. Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you.
Bench is done, squat rack is done, mirror's done. We've just got a couple random boxes to open, so... Oh, what even is this? Oh, this is the rope cable attachment. I feel like this is such a must. She's a long one. Is that longer than normal? Seems quite long.
I think they are a little bit longer.
Oh my god, thank the Lord for these.
Yeah, rather than those. They're so much nicer.
And then we've just got a bunch of weights as well. We got the 70 kg bundle. No, 50?
70 because the barbell is 20. They're nice plates though, look.
HyGym.
We've got 2 5 kilos and 2 20 kilos, so that's 50 plus then 20k barbell. So 17 total. So we might have to get some more at some point, I guess.
We will be getting more. 100%.
Nice plates though, aren't they?
Yeah, they do feel good. It's nice like having new gym equipment that's not all beaten up from everybody else.
Yeah.
There's a whole lot of glue in this video and I'm enjoying it. It's quite funny as well because Nate has parallettes. He's had these for like 2 years and they're blue. We've just got some more organising to do with like the bits and bobs, so I think we'll do that tonight and then a little reveal tomorrow in daylight without this artificial light of the finished home gym.
Exciting. To get the dumbbells in here as well.
It's insane though, like I can't wait to just get going with it.
I know, and it's like obviously it's a lot less than you'd get in a normal gym, but it's all yours and it's in your house.
No one's ever using it. Well, you might be, but like it's you. Only you have touched it, so you know how like clean it is, and you can clean it as much as you want to.
No driving to and from the gym, no gym membership.
Yeah.
You can train like 3 days. You could train 3 times a day because you just walk downstairs.
Also, some gym memberships are like £30–40 a month.
Yeah, I mean ours wasn't, but yeah.
Let alone posh gyms. They are really expensive.
If you
Like
say
how
the
much is
average-
that a year? That's insane.
If you say the average is like £30 a month, that's like £360 a year.
If you're into weightlifting enough to have a home gym, I'm sure you can justify like 5 years of gym rent to cover this, to have your own gym.
It's probably not even 5 years to pay for this. That was, what, £500, £600? That's 2 years.
Yeah, to be fair.
Obviously there's the other bits as well, but you can add to it slowly. Yeah.
Anyway,
if you've got the
let's
room for it, it's great.
call it a night and finish the bits and bobs. And see you tomorrow. And just like that, the gym is all complete. I am so happy with it. It's still super echoey in here, which is not ideal, but that's fine. Obviously, as you come in, we've got this square empty because otherwise the door will catch on it. I am loving this floor. It feels really nice and thick and strong. We've taken it all the way into this little corner, which was a bit of a faff, but this is going to be the kind of stretching area. I really want to get a plyo box or 2, and they would probably sit in that corner there because we actually used to use them a lot in our gym routines, so hopefully we will get that in the future. We've of course got the mirror right next to it. We've also got this little cove here, which I'm thinking maybe we would want a dumbbell stand rack thing in here eventually when we get one. At the moment we've got adjustable ones, which is what all of these plates are, and don't get me wrong, they were great. They are a lot cheaper and I would recommend it if you're on a budget, but they're a faff. They're really awkward. I don't enjoy using them. And then that of course brings us on to the palette, which I knew we could make this work. We've obviously got quite a lot of accessories as you do in a gym, and they could just sit in a bag, but I feel like it's nice having them there ready to grab on show. And it of course holds some of the weights as well. There is one positive about still having these adjustable dumbbells. They are much too small to fit onto the barbell. We are going to need more weights because that is definitely not enough. But they actually fit onto the cable machine. You can pop the big plates on here, but they actually fit on there perfectly, which is obviously really helpful. So that is insane. We've got my hula hoop and also my collection of dying plants. It's nice to have a bit of greenery in here, but it's also a bit of an embarrassment because I suck at keeping them alive. Last but not least, we have the multi-purpose squat rack in its full glory with the bench. Of course, you've got your squat rack on the front here. You can also put it on the back there. You've got your cable at the back, so there's an attachment on the floor, and also one up here with a little hook to hold it, which is amazing. We've got our dip bars and also the pull-up bars up there. So this thing is just insane. Also the bench is so good as well. I was always dreaming of having my own home gym, even if it was a small one, but I always worried that I wouldn't be able to kind of have what I needed, and I knew that I would always want a cable, and I thought it's just going to be so awkward trying to fit in a squat rack and a cable machine and have floor space with dumbbells and blah blah blah. But this multi-purpose squat rack just answers all our prayers. Like, I just can't believe it. So I can't wait to work out on it. We are going to end the video with my first workout, which is going to be a light full body workout, I think. I also, you guys, was thinking of putting LED light strips around the tops of the ceiling and also like lining here. What do we think? Would that look tacky or would it be really cool? I'm just thinking it would kind of bring a nice ambiance into here. Also, in case you didn't notice, I'm wearing the other HyGym set. This bra is stunning. I love the way it fits. This little band is really nice and tight and the back is so cute. Can we see? Nice flattering leggings. I like all the details on them. The only thing I would say, particularly with these ones, is they are quite small. I would suggest to size up. So I'm wearing a small. I would probably choose to wear medium leggings. The bra is fine, it's really nice and stretchy, but the leggings aren't the stretchiest. Other than that, they are gorgeous and really nice material, beautiful design as well. So I'm gonna put it to the test along with this equipment and do our first workout. So there we go. The gym is complete. My first workout is complete. Make sure to let me know if you think I should add those lights or not, or like if you have any ideas of cool lighting or something to kind of spice up this gym. Once again, a massive thank you to HyGym for sending me this equipment and collaborating with me on this video. Can confirm that the quality is amazing and I just had an incredible workout. Thank you so much for watching this video, and again, if you use my code, and yeah, I will see you very soon.